Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable two fingers to scroll feature in your Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the Windows setting. I'm going to go to the start menu and open the settings, and here we go to the accessibility setting. Okay, and select the mouse pointer and touch. And then you're going to go to the touchpad, and here you will be able to activate the two fingers to scroll feature. Make sure you check this menu like this, and you will be able to scroll your touchpad with your two fingers. Okay, that's so easy, right? And here you can enable the three fingers gestures as well if you want, and also the four fingers gesture, but I prefer this one, two fingers to scroll. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.